New week, new video. Last thing I was working on was the hood. I patched this. That's solid, actually turned out really nice. I got rid of all the motion and movement and shaking out of the hood. Now what I need to do is I need to take my whizzy wheel. I don't know if this is called a whizzy wheel or not. This is what I call it, I'm old. And I need to clean up all these edges. I need to clean up where those hood vents are and all that stuff. Get it kind of nice. After that, I'm gonna take the DA. I'm gonna sand this bad boy down. Once I get it sanded down and proper, not perfect, but proper enough where I know paint and all that stuff's gonna adhere to it and it looks decent, I'm going to clean it, wipe it, and put the first coat of paint on it. The idea is to get the whole inside of this hood silver. After the whole inside of this hood is silver, then I'll kind of map out what I wanna do with flames, space, and all that stuff. There's a lot of things I want to do to the car, but to fit the fenders, I need to have the hood on. I can do that rear whole thing in the back. I don't feel like it right now, whatever. I want to check this hood off the list. Is it going to get done today? Probably not, but I can make big steps to make big progress. So I will start working on this. I'll check in with you guys at some point, and we'll see where I am. I was so close. I was so close to nailing this on the first shot. All these turned out great. I got them all sanded and cleaned up. I'll probably clean them up a little bit more. Obviously, that's kind of the first go over. But all these turned out great. This one is the only one that was a little bit short. So I'm gonna have to ruin one of my 99-cent brushes for just one piece. But I'm gonna glass that piece there. When it dries, I'll be able to hit that real quick. I'll put extra hardener in it so it dries a little bit quicker. In the meantime, honestly, while that's drying, I'm probably gonna sand all this anyways, because I don't really care if any dust or anything like that gets in it, because I'm just gonna grind it smooth and paint over it. So I'll put that one on. I'll get to scuffing and cleaning up all this nasty stuff, and then we'll see where we sit with that. It's quick update time. So the hood is on the vehicle. The reason it's on is because I needed to fit the fenders. I started fitting the fenders while I was waiting for the paint on the inside of the hood to dry. Whatever, here we are. So my headlights need to move back. When I take my corner light and I start fitting everything and getting it to where it'll click back a little bit yet, but long story short, I need to fit the headlight further back so it lines up with the hood. That way the corner light actually tucks back into the pocket it's supposed to. So that's where I'm at the moment. I got this one mounted. If you guys are able, you're probably not able to see it, but I got 2 bolts in there, so this one is mounted essentially in its location. I got the jamb figured out, the bottom's not mounted yet. I do have a mounting hole over there that I took out because I was gonna do the headlight, and I was like, well, I should show you guys. I put the grill piece in to try to help keep the light center, but all of that, long story short, the fender needs to come off. I need to drill the side mounting holes out a little bit further back so I can tuck all this back, get it to line up with this. So I mean, it needs to go a good ½ inch back to get all that to line up so that the corner light sits in there properly, so that falls in there properly, and then the hood actually sits without it sticking all the way out. Most of the talking I just did, you guys were staring at my stomach and my crotch. But oh well, here we are. That's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna go grab some food. It's like 12:30, I haven't eaten anything yet today. And Parker's here, so that solves all that too. Catch up soon. Kind of end of the day here on Friday. Got some family things I gotta do tonight, so that's where we're leaving it. Never mounted this fender at all. That is all still the same. This one though, hard mounted in the 2 spots that it's gonna be hard mounted. Trying to decide if I wanna cut this little guy off. I cut the other one off, that's right there, just for a little bit of cleaner look. I'm not gonna mount it there because of my tub. You actually can't put anything in there because the tub's in the way. I have this corner all shaved out for the corner light. It is super, super close to fitting proper, but it doesn't. If that screw wasn't in there, I could probably show you. So it's close. I don't want to go too far with it, so I'm just going to leave it. It's not mounted there, but the holes are drilled. Not mounted there. Holes are not drilled, but closer. Took the hood back off and I decided to start messing with it. So obviously it's soaked right now, but I did a silver on the back, then I sprayed down some yellow and black over the top. So the idea would be, is after this dries, probably put another layer of black down, and then let that dry, and then do yellow on the inside, silver on the outside to clean it up the best I can, and then maybe take like a really thick Posco marker and clean up the black. I don't know, we'll see, but we'll kind of figure out how it turns out. Even if it was left like this, that wouldn't be a big deal. So that's how we're gonna wrap. Today is what it is. Tomorrow's gonna be a whole new day, and then we'll have something else to show you tomorrow, which will be really exciting. It is on the way here right now. Probably won't be here till like 9:30, huh, Parker? Yeah. 9:30, 10 o'clock. So there's something cool that'll be here late tonight, and we'll have to show that to you tomorrow. We got to move some stuff around in here. But until tomorrow.
The next day.
There you go.
Hey, quiet on set.
Check, please.
All right, what are we doing? So this is, let me get you, hold on, Ben. Okay, I'm gonna get you up to speed, and then you're gonna tell me what all happened, okay? So,
You gotta talk like Brock, though.
my computer wasn't working very well, so I freaked out and I wiped the whole thing to try to get Premiere Pro to work on it again, in which case I lost the entire video that was supposed to get posted today. So that's all gone.
Okay.
So they haven't seen the hood, they haven't seen the car, they don't know about this thing, or they don't know about him.
Or they don't.
Okay, so you got to do a full update.
Hold on. They don't know about it. Stand like.
Can we get a build breakdown of the golf cart? Yeah, dude. Action!
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Brock Betcher, coming back today. So my computer took a huge shit. Lost everything. Blake's in town. We got his pile of shit here. We're gonna be tearing it down and getting a full refresh, all right? That's where I'm at.
Go team.
All right, that was pretty good. So we'll use that. Also, I did the hood, so we painted the hood silver, yellow, black, whatever. The flames are better now. It's cleaner, looks nice. Blake thinks Detroit's gonna win tonight, which he's right. And then we got this fender mounted, this side skirt taped on, that rear quarter mounted. So all of that stuff is pretty. I gotta figure out front fitment yet and get that dialed in. The rear quarter turned out really great. Again, 285s on there right now. So those are 285s. Obviously I'll have 265s on there. So this side of the car is coming together. The other side is not. I'm gonna fix Blake's hoopty because he smashed it up for the last 4 years. It used to look really nice, but now it looks like Blake owns it. So we are going to fix all that. So that's your update. We're rolling to next week. You'll see a lot of stuff of this thing getting fixed and more of this thing getting put together. What do you think, Austin and Parker? What are we doing?
Like, subscribe, and text me.
Brock Bo on YouTube, or you can just search Brock Betcher.
Okay, new week, new video. Obviously, we're wrapping out the weekend. Blake came this last weekend. Unfortunately, the Lions did not win. I believe you would have caught it from a couple of clips here in this video that I lost all the footage for the video that was supposed to be the one you guys are watching right now. So all that is gone. I lost my comments, lost my subscribers, so I'm kind of just going back here and hopefully I can catch most. So Jeff Reichert from Drexel, great guy, commented nice stuff. Thank you, Jeff. Mike Zagar commented, love this, Stash is badass, miss riding with you, bro. Thanks, my man, miss it too. We used to ride together on Attitude Sport rides, which were super cool. And then my boy Vibes. So on Instagram, he's Vibes, V-I-Y-B-Z. Does a lot of local content for the drift events and stuff, which is great. On YouTube, he's Slam Slide Style, so go check him out. But he commented, let's go. Silver S14 is one of my favorites. Keep crushing. Love the YouTube focus. I'm getting ready to try and boost my channel too. So I hope you do that, my man. That's awesome. The blue car teardown video, I'm not sure now if we missed those comments at all or not, but Circle of Cycles 2, nice camera work, Jack. What type of car is the blue car? It's an S14. All three of them are Nissan S14s. I'm just an S14 guy, I guess you could say. So thank you for all that. We are up subscribers, specific subscribers. I'm sorry I'm not positive. Mallory Moran, subscribe to the channel. Vibes, subscribe to the channel. Jay Coates, Dan Leavitt, Peacock Visuals have all subscribed in the last week or whatever that video's been. So thank you so much, you guys, for all that. That's great. That really helps us on the mission here and keep things going. Future plans, I just want to mention real quick. The silver S14 that you saw in this video is Blake's car at Actual No One on Instagram. His car is an entire Car Modify Wonder kit, like the entire kit, every piece, panel that kit came with. So we did that car, we put it together. I got an older YouTube video probably 4 or 5 years ago. That car's been driven hard, put away wet, as you do with the drift car. So we are going to give that a full revival. I'm gonna, one piece at a time, front bumper off, fix it all, side skirts off, fix it all, rear bumper, quarters, everything. We're gonna make it all perfect, all proper, sanded smooth, and then as it warms up, Blake's gonna come back out and we're gonna respray both cars. So I will be trickling in content of his car. It's gonna be a lot of fiberglass fixing, a lot of repairs, a lot of just general sanding and cleanup. But when you put the hard work in, it really makes a big difference. So that is Blake's car. We will be doing a ton of content on that. I do have the hood essentially finished up on the silver car, which is great. So all that stuff is set. I just need to get passenger side fender figured out. Driver side, front fender, rear quarter, and side skirt are all on and looking great. I need to hard mount the side skirt yet, trying to figure out what I want to do for that. I just want to put it on once, make it super proper, take my time. The passenger side, I have most of those trunk holes and everything fixed. I just got to body out and make that rear quarter line a little bit better before I put those quarters on. So progress is happening. It does seem slow. Thankfully, mechanically, I don't have to do anything to either car. So that should help a bunch with all that as well. So everything's great. I love what this is doing. I love how this is going. I love where we're headed. I think my computer's fixed as the moment. We will find out. But thank you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We will shout you guys out on the next video. We appreciate all you do. And as always, we'll catch you on the next one.